Oh, there's so many thoughts, like, as if the Schindler replaced the... You know, stop it when I look at the roof. It's fine, because he's... Not right. Okay, these are some brand new Schindlers at Wakefield Hospital. Notice there's two position gates, one above the doors and one here. Very interesting. Yeah, these are very interesting ones. It's got a 5. It's got 2 doors, disabled panel as well, so that's nice. Capacity 2,500 kgs or 33 persons.
Floor 5, door opening.
And here is, yeah, this is just the service lift. It's literally like the same as the other, so we don't have to worry about filming that in Newtown 7. And here they do not have position indicators, so that's kind of interesting. Yeah, railway, so it's nice. Yeah. Interesting how it has a flipping disabled panel. That's the first time I've seen this on a lift. So different and interesting. And yep. And so just found that door, so yeah, I think that's it.